Hello the Internet. This is my unboxing and mini review of the Third Reality Smart Switch, which is designed to install easily over the top of dumb wall switches, allowing you to control your home's lighting through your phone or voice assistant. It's a Zigbee-based device, so you'll need a Zigbee-based smart home hub, such as Wink, SmartThings, or Echo Plus. As you can see, it comes in this shiny white box, which I'll open up to show you what's inside. You've got the instructions and some plastic, and then you got the main body of the device and a couple of adapters for attaching the device to the wall plates, both the toggle and the paddle type of home switches. Then you got some batteries and hardware screws and washers for attaching it to the wall plates. We'll take a quick look at the device. You can see that the battery compartment is on the back, as well as this little spiral actuator thing that's for the toggle switch, and then the two little nubs that operate paddle switches. Here I stuck the batteries in so you can see how things look when I press the button. You can see the little spiral rotates and the nubs push in and out. Next, we'll take a look at how the adapter fits over your existing wall plate. This is the adapter for the paddle style switches, and it goes right over there. Those two screws that are in the plate currently are going to come out and get replaced by longer screws that come with the device. So the screws do need to come out, but the plate does not need to come off, so there's pretty much a zero chance that you're going to electrocute yourself doing this. But if you're feeling paranoid or litigious, feel free to turn off the circuit breaker and you'll be 100% sure not to electrocute yourself. Once you've got the old screws out, you're going to attach the adapter over the wall plate using the longer, shiny screws that were provided with the kit. There are also some washers that come with the kit for cases where there's extra space to fill, but I didn't need to use them and it's likely that you won't either. So you just screw the adapter onto the wall plate using the new screws. It's so easy you can do it with one hand while making a shaky YouTube video. And you're all set. Now the adapter is attached to the existing switch plate and it's nice and solid. Now we're going to put the batteries in and pair the device with your smart home hub before we attach it to the wall. As you can see, the batteries go in like most batteries. And then the cover goes on. Fumble. And you can see that the blue light is blinking. That means that the device is in pairing mode. It's kind of searching for a smart home hub to pair with. Next we're going to go into the app of our hub and tell the hub to find the switch. In this case I have a Wink hub, so I'm using the Wink app. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Add to Wink section. I'm going to type in Zigbee, and I'll choose the Zigbee light bulb, the generic Zigbee light bulb, because basically that's what this thing behaves like. Go next and next. I have multiple hubs, but you will just have one, so next, and next again, and finally connect now. Now the Wink hub is out looking for the Zigbee device. The blue light on the hub will be blinking, and as you saw before, the blue light on the switch is blinking, and soon enough we should see them find each other. Maybe not quite soon enough. There it is. Now we go ahead and get started. And you can see that the switch is going to show up as a dimmable switch. It's not actually dimmable, but that's okay. It doesn't hurt anything. And we got it. Now the top left device there is the one that I just added. You can see that I can tap that and it'll go ahead and turn the thing on and off like magic. Now that we got it paired with the Wink hub, we're going to go ahead and put it on the wall. This is super straightforward. You just put the top in first, and then the bottom, it snaps right in. And then if you press the button on the front here, it activates the switch locally, And you can also press your button in your app, and it'll activate the switch remotely, like magic. In conclusion, here's my super quick review of this device. On the pros side, it's easy to install, has a nice solid feel, works well. Zigbee is generally reliable and has a pretty long range, and it's only $30 on Amazon, which ain't bad. On the con side, there's the ridiculous name. I mean, it's a light switch, not a portal to another dimension. It's a bit thick when it sticks on the wall, but it's not terrible. And it does require a Zigbee hub. But overall, I'm super pleased, and I would say go get one. I've included an Amazon link in the description. Please use that if you're planning on purchasing and you'd like Jeff Bezos to donate $1 or so to me. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching, and please do the standard YouTube things: like, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.